manawani kasama.
I said, baby, I'm mighty sweet, but I'm in bed with a naked feet. It's been on for a couple of days, but I couldn't stay away. So I walked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 more. I'm gonna climb down, start to drop 15 more. I'm ready to sack, get to the top, but I'm too tired to run. Straight over